Okay, so today we have, just for the sake of the recording, I will just repeat what I said. So just today we are taking up the same question, the boat problem, so upstream and downstream. So we are continuing with that. Yesterday we had got up to this stage where we got these equations, equation 1 and 2, which you see. Okay. So yeah, all we have to do is we have to rewrite these equations in such a way that they become the linear pair of linear equation in two variables, a and b. For that, what did we have to do? We have to assume that 1 by x plus y is a and 1 by x minus y is b. So if we do that, these equations 1 and 2 can be rewritten in this form. 44a plus 30b is equal to 10 and 55a plus 40b is equal to 30.
Sir,
I'll do this.
I substituted A from the third.
Yes, sir.
A from the third one. Okay, so let's find out. 44a is equal to 10 minus 30b. From 3, what we can say, 44a is equal to 10 minus 30b. So a is equal to 10. Let's take the 10 common over here. So it's 1 minus 3b. And then a will be equal to 10 by 44, 1 minus 3b. Is that what you people did?
Yes, sir. 10 minus 30B by 55.
So if you did like that, let me also do same thing. Let's why change it. Let's keep it like that itself. Okay. So 10 minus 30b by 44.
Sir, actually, I did it from the fourth equation, sir. You wrote it.
Okay. What about study? What did you do? Did you do this one or you did?
But I did the same, sir.
You are
Three.
right.
From 3 I had taken.
Okay, fine. So
Now you have written this one, that one, sir.
same thing. Okay.
I have done it.
So now let's substitute this in equation 4. What is my equation 4? 55a, 40b. So it's 55a plus 40b is equal to 13. So now in place of a, I have to put this value. Okay. In place of a, I will put that value. So let's do that.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, actually, I got the value of A as 10 minus 44B by 30.
10 minus 44b.
Yes, sir. Like I took X.
Check your equation. Is the equation same? Okay, you would have taken a and b differently. Okay, that's okay. That doesn't
Yes.
matter. Yeah, that doesn't matter. You ultimately, finally, you will get the same value of x and y. Okay. So what happened just now, guys? Like what Kavya is saying. See, I have taken 1 by x plus y is equal to a. So maybe Kavya took this as b. Is that correct, Kavya? Maybe you took 1 by x plus y is equal to b. Is that what you did, Kavya? Can you confirm?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So that's why you got different. Okay. So that is our choice. We can call any one of them as A, any one of them as B. So in the middle, the calculation may be slightly different, but finally you should get the same answer. Okay. So let's continue. So 10 minus 30 B by 44. And this will become by 44 here plus 40B is equal to 13. Everything fine so far? All I did is replace the value of a. So now you see this 55, 11 5s, 11 4s will get cancelled. Can we cancel anything else? No. So actually there is a 2 common in the numerator that we can take it up. So but why make it complicated? Let's leave it like that itself. Okay, so I'm going to simplify this numerator. There is a 5 here. 5 will multiply to both of them, so it will become 50 minus 150b by 4. So I'm writing extra steps just to make sure that everyone gets it. So those of you who are comfortable with the calculation, just bear with me for a minute. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to simply solve this fraction. So 4 will multiply to this 40b and it will become 160b. Everybody knows how to do that calculation. 50 minus 150b plus 4 4s are 16, that is 160b, and whole thing divided by 4. But this 4 I am going to send it to the RHS, so I'm going to write it in one step itself. Or if that will be too many steps, let me write it here. Okay. So remember, this whole thing is as it is. This 40 and 4 got multiplied and they became 160b. Okay. It's a simple fraction, addition, subtraction. If anyone has trouble with this, let me know. I'll explain. Is everyone okay? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I heard only from Hari. And what about other people? Manoj,
Yes, sir.
Manoj, Charan, Adi, Deep.
Yes, sir.
Actually, sir, from the fourth equation, sir, I am getting B as 3 by 16.
Okay, let's see. I will solve it and then see. Okay. Or you
Yes,
can do one thing. You take a picture of whatever you solved and you send it to me. Okay. I will check it out where you have made mistake. I will see that later. Okay. For now,
Yes,
just try to see what is the process. Maybe you will recognize what mistake you have made. Okay.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So when we
Excuse me,
simplify this,
sir.
yes, tell me.
Sir, I has also got A as a whole number and B as fraction, sir.
Okay. That is a possibility. It can happen. It's nothing. There is no rule against that. It cannot be a fraction and integer. What about Kavya? What did you get? Are both of them integers or is it different? What is it?
Fractions
Fractions, both of them?
can be.
Okay. Okay. Just hold on for some time. Let me finish it and then we'll see. Okay. So 160 minus 150 will become 10b, right? So it will be 50 minus 10b is equal to 52. So 4 and 13 multiplied and became 52. Everyone okay so far? So
Yes,
10,
sir.
Yes, sir.
10b, I will send it to the other side. Make it positive. No, it's 10 positive 10b, right? 160. It's bigger. So it will be plus 10b. So let's leave it here itself. Send this guy to the other side. So 10b is equal to 52 minus 50. So b is equal to 2 by 10. So I am getting b is equal to 1 by 5. Now let's take this b and put it into one of the equations, third or fourth. B value I have got it as 1 by 2. So I will take the third equation itself and I will put the b value as 1 by 2 over there. So we had 44a plus 30b is equal to 10. That was the equation. So in this equation, instead of b, just put 1 by 2 or 1 by 5. I'm sorry. B is 1 by 5. Okay, guys. I was saying 1 by 2 by mistake. Okay, it's 1 by 5. Then just cancel it. 5, 6 are 30. It will get cancelled. So what do we have? 44a is equal to n minus 6. There's only 6 remaining. I'm sending 6 to the other side. Okay. So 10 minus 6. Can I write directly as 4? Is everyone okay with that?
Yes, sir.
So 4 by 44. So it will become 1 by 11.
I got my mistake, sir.
Okay.
Sir, at the last, sir.
Okay, that's good. So Karan, what about you? Did you find out?
Yes, sir. Middle only somewhere I missed it.
Okay,
That only.
fine. So for me, A was 1 by 11. A is 1 by 11. And what did I assume as A? 1 by x plus 1, x plus y, right? 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 11. From that, we can reciprocal both the sides. So x by y will be equal to 11. Let's call this as fifth equation. And b is equal to 1 by 5. So 1 by x minus y is 1 by 5. Implies that x minus y is equal to 5. So now we have got again another pair of equations in two variables. X plus y is 11, x minus y is 5. Just like we said yesterday, equation within another equation, dream within a dream. So to solve these equations, this is very simple. Y plus y and minus y is there. So we just add them and it will get eliminated. So adding 5 and 6, x plus x will become 2x, plus y minus y becomes 0, and 11 plus 5 becomes 16. So x is equal to 8. And once you know x is equal to 8, we can very easily find x plus y is 11. So y is equal to 11 minus x. That is 11 minus 8. Okay. So speed of boat in still water, it was x kilometer per hour. So it will be 8 kilometer per hour. It's very important to write the unit also as a final step. Okay. If you don't write this unit, you'll lose half mark in the board exam. So make sure you write your final conclusion. Don't stop at x and y. Explain that. What is that x? X is the speed of boat in the still water. And what was our y? Speed of the stream, that is y is equal to 3 kilometer per hour. Okay. So whoever got stuck in the middle, you would have made some silly calculation mistake. Just try to redo it. Doesn't matter which equation you take, which one you choose as A or B. Ultimately, you should get the same x and y. So speed of the boat in still water will come to be 8 kilometer per hour, and speed of stream will be 3 kilometer per hour. This final answer should be same. Rest, anything you can assume, any variable. Okay. So don't worry. I know this problem is little lengthy, so don't get bogged down by this.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, can you teach again, sir?
Yes, we will take another sum like this. Okay, we will take a different problem like this. Let me see. Okay, everyone can understand what the question says. It's very similar to the one which we have solved, right? Remember, here also, just like the previous problem, there are two trips. Okay, in the first trip, the boat goes 16 kilometer upstream, 24 kilometer downstream in how much time? 6 hours. This will give us our first equation. And then 12 kilometers upstream, 36 kilometers downstream in the same time. What does it mean? Same 6 hours again. Okay. Okay, so before we start solving, what we have to do, we have to start with assuming what is our x and y.
But you show the question once, sir. I will take this.
You want to see the question?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So like I said, the first trip 16 kilometer upstream, 24 kilometers downstream in 6 hours. This will give us our first equation. This time I will not go through so many stories. I will straightforward solve how you have to do it in your board exam. Okay. So we'll assume the speeds. Let the speed of boat in still water is x kilometer per hour, and speed of stream is y kilometer per hour. So what will be the upstream speed? When the boat is going upstream, what will be the speed, guys?
X minus Y, sir.
X minus y.
X minus y. And downstream speed, of course, x plus y. Okay. Now, in the first case, it goes 16 kilometers upstream. So we will write it as distance by speed, no? So 16 is the distance. Upstream speed is x minus y. So let's write 16 by x minus y. So this is the time taken to go upstream. Now we have to write the time taken to go downstream. How many kilometers did it go? 24 kilometers downstream. So 24, and the downstream speed is x plus y. So it will become 24 by x plus y. So this is the time taken to go downstream. Upstream time plus downstream time is the total time taken, and we know that that is equal to 6 hours. So that's what gives us the first equation. Then the case 2. In second case, what happens? 12 kilometers upstream. So 12 upstream. So 12 by x minus y plus how many? 36 downstream. 36 kilometers downstream. So it will be 36 by x plus y. And the total time, what? It took the same time they said. So this should also be equal to 6 only. So tell me if everyone is able to understand how these equations are formed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about other people?
Yes, sir.
There's no rush.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You don't need to rush through this. Okay, this is a very important question. If you need more time, you can just go through it, go through the question, try to understand, and let me know. Everyone is okay? Tanushri, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Manoj, are you there? Nowadays you are very silent. I'm not hearing anything.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Okay.
Sir, this one I have noted in tuition note also, sir.
Okay, noting down is not important. I will share the PDF. You can note down, but understanding is more important.
Yes, sir. This sum is little bit tough, sir. That's why I have noted in note.
Yes.
While you were explaining, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I
So
found the value of b, sir.
just a minute. Charan, you were saying something?
Yes, sir. I found the value, sir, of b.
Okay, which one did you call as A and which one did you call as B, first of all?
Sir, 1 by x minus y as a and 1 by x plus y as b, sir.
Okay, so let me also do the same thing. Let 1 by x minus y is our A and 1 by x plus y is equal to B. So we can rewrite these two equations, 16, 24 and 6. I will write it as 16a, 24b is equal to 6, and 12, 36, and 6 again. So it will be 12a plus 36b is equal to 6. And we can call them as equation 3 and 4. Confirm? Everyone is okay up to this step?
Yes, sir.
16a plus 24b is equal to 6. 12a plus 36b is equal to 6. Okay.
Sir, A I'm getting as 1/4, sir.
Okay. Continue solving. Let's see if I get the same thing. Okay. So what method should I use? I'm going to use elimination method here also. So I'm going to multiply third equation by 2 by 3 and fourth equation by 2 and subtracting what will happen, this equation third one, it will become 16, 3s are 48a plus and the other one will become 24a, and I'm going to subtract it. So these two become 0. 24a is equal to 6. So a is equal to 6 by 24.
Sir, I'm getting B as 1/12, sir.
B is 1 by 12. Okay. Charan,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. A I got 1/4 only, sir.
okay. So now let's take this a and substitute. In which equation should I substitute? Third or fourth? I'll do it in the third one. The numbers look smaller. So the third equation is 16a, 24b. But in place of a, we have to write 1 by 4. This is 4 plus 24b is equal to 6. 24b is equal to 6 minus 4. So b is equal to 2 by 24 and b is equal to 1 by 12. Okay. Everyone fine with this?
Sir,
Yes.
can you do it in substitution also? I got stuck.
See, when you have common factors like, see, just by multiplying two or three, you're getting these numbers equal, no? It's always a good idea to,
I didn't thought that only, sir.
yes, that is what we are learning now, to think all those things. It's all right. You didn't think, that is okay, but now we have to think that. And one more thing we could have done, you see, there is 2 common in all of them. So we could have taken that 2 common and cancelled it out. So this equation basically it will become 8a plus 12b is equal to 3. It will become even smaller.
Okay, sir.
And here I think 3 is common, right? You can see 3 is common here. So 3 4s are, so 4a plus 12b is equal to 2. So this became even smaller actually. You don't even have to do all that calculation.
Okay, sir.
And there is already 12b, so it'll be even easier to eliminate that. So you should try to think about those lines now, okay? So I didn't want to confuse you with all these smaller details right now because I'm trying to teach you the overall process, how to solve this problem. Now, exactly what we should do about these equations, this you should try to experiment. You should try to see how can I make my calculations easier, okay? I don't want to squeeze in too many details in one single question. That's why I'm not looking at all those things, okay? But you should, when you are solving, make sure you try to look at these simple things. Did everyone understand what I said here? You could have taken common 2 from the third one, or divided the third equation by 2 and divided the fourth equation by 3, and still you could have got the same similar result actually. That would have been better. In fact, let me do that. Divide third equation by 2 and fourth by 3 and then subtract. So third equation, when I divide by 2, 16 will become 8a, 24 will become 12b, and 6 will become 3. Is everyone able to follow what I'm saying here? This equation I divided by 2. 16 became 8, 24 became 12, and 6 became 3. And same thing in the fourth equation, we have to divide it by 3. So divide each one of them by 3. What do we get? 3 4s are 12, so this becomes 4a. 3 12s are 36, so 12b, and 3 2s are 6, so this becomes 2. And then subtract it. So plus 12b minus 12b becomes 0. 8 minus 4 will become 4. And 3 minus 2 becomes 1. So directly we get a is equal to 1 by 4. And then I'm going to leave it to this itself. But this is only half, job is half done. Right now we have just got a and b value. So let's find it out. So a is, what was that, 1 by 4? Okay. If a is 1 by 4 means 1 by x minus y is 1 by 4. So x minus y is equal to 4. This is one part. B is equal to 1 by 12. So from this we get x plus y is equal to 12. Is everyone okay with this? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then let's just give them some names. What was that equation? 3 and 4, right? So let's call them 5 and 6. Same thing, we'll do adding 5 and 6. Y will get eliminated. X plus X will become 2X. 4 plus 12 will become 16. So X is equal to 8. And we know that X plus Y is equal to 12. So Y is equal to 12 minus X minus 8. 4. Write the final conclusion. So speed of port in still water, that will be X, right? So 8 kilometer per hour. Looks like it's the same boat, same 8 kilometer per hour. They borrowed the same boat. And speed of stream is Y, but the speed is faster over here. This time it's going 4 kilometer per hour. Anyway, this is a different question. Of course, you'll get different answers. Just try going through the recording. Those of you, I know I went a little fast on this, but everything is there in the recording. You can stop, you can rewind, we can do whatever you want. You can speed it up if you like. If I'm talking too slow for you, you can do all that in the recording. That is why I spend so much time recording all that for you, okay? So make use of that. Get comfortable with this kind of question. Okay, then tomorrow I'll teach you one more interesting type of problem. So that's it for the maths class. You can go on a break now, come back after 10 minutes.